Hello children, hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our class with a small prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Dear God, we thank you for the protection all the time. I praise you and give you thanks for all the blessings you have bestowed. Amen. Hello children, today we are going to continue with the subtraction, unit 3 subtraction. Okay, so today we are going to see exercise 3.6 word problem. So last class we started with one problem. Today we are going to see the remaining problems. Okay, yes, shall we start? Yes, first we are going to read the problem. So first, every time you should read the problem one time or two times. You have to understand what is given and what we have to find out. Okay, yes, exercise 3.5, page number 47. Okay, yes, shall we read the question now? There were 7,000 bags of rice in Suresh's shop on Monday. Okay, so on Monday how many bags? 7,000 bags. Okay, by Sunday 638 bags of rice were left. So on Sunday how many bags were there? They were 638. How many bags of rice did he sell during the week? So there Monday there were 7,000 bags. On Sunday there were 638 bags. So what we have to find now? We are going to find how many bags were sold. Okay. Yes. So first we have to write the statement for all the given numbers. Okay. So first we are going to write the statement for 7,000 bags. Okay. Yes. So how many bags? So there were 7,000 bags of rice in Suresh's shop on Monday. So bags on Monday. So how many bags? It is 7,000. 7,000. Okay. So by Sunday there were 638 bags. So bags on Sunday. How many bags? 638. So you have to write from the ones place 8, 3, 6. So here thousands place will be empty. Okay. So now we are going to find out how many bags were sold. Okay. So what we have to do? We are going to subtract. We are going to subtract. Yes, shall we subtract now? Yes. 0 minus 8 can we able to do? No. So what we are going to do? We are going to borrow from tens place. So here in tens place also 0. So we cannot able to borrow. Again we are going to hundreds place. In hundreds place also what number is there? 0. We cannot able to subtract. Again we are going to thousands place. In thousands place what is there? 7 is there. So we are going to borrow. The 7 is going to become 6 and this 0 will become 10. Okay, so now again we are going to tens place. So tens place, what will happen to this 10? It will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Okay, again we are going to borrow. Yes, so this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Okay, so this is how you will borrow. Okay, so now 10 minus 8, what is 10 minus 8? It is 2. 9 minus 3, what is 9 minus 3? 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. And here 6 is there, no number is there. So what happen? The 6 will come down as such. Okay, so now read this number. It is 6,362. 6,362. So therefore 6,362 bags. Okay, bags were sold Okay, so therefore 6,362 bags were sold. Okay, so we have found out how many bags were sold out during this week. Okay, first on Monday there were 7,000 bags, on Sunday 638 bags. If you subtract these two numbers, we will get how many bags were sold in this week. Okay, yes, shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. Shall we read the question? You also try to read the question along with me. Okay. In a garden, there are 4,500 red and yellow roses. That is, red and yellow roses together, how much? 4,500. Okay. If there are 2,678 yellow roses, so there are how many yellow roses? 2,678. How many red roses are there in the garden? So they have given red and yellow roses together what? 4,500. In that 2,678 yellow roses were there. We are going to find out how many red roses were there. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. Subtract 4,500 minus 2,678. Okay. So first we are going to write the statement. Okay. Red and yellow roses. See, statement you can write on your own, whatever statement you wish you can write. Okay, but I wish you should write the statement on your own. Okay, so red and yellow roses together. How much? 4,500. Okay, now how many yellow roses? Yellow roses, it is 2,678. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. We are going to subtract. We are going to subtract. Okay. Yes, shall we subtract? 0 minus 8? We cannot do. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. Borrow from tens place. Here in tens place also 0. So we cannot able to borrow. Now move on to hundreds place. Hundreds place number 5 is there. So what we are going to do? This 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. Again we are going to borrow. Now this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Okay. Now what is 10 minus 8? 2. Yes, 9 minus 7 also 2. And 4 minus 6 can we able to do? No. Again we are going to borrow. So what if I borrow? This will become 3 and this 4 will become 14. Okay. Yes. What is 14 minus 6? It is 8. And 3 minus 2 will be 1. Okay. So therefore, how many red roses? Therefore, there are 1,822 red roses in the garden. Okay, so therefore there are 1,822 red roses are there in the garden. So this is how you will write. So write simple statement on your own and you can do the sums. Okay, shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. Now we are going to exercise 3.6 page number 48. Okay. Yes, shall we do? First we are going to read the question. Always try to read the question one time or two times, understand what is given and then move on to doing the sum. Okay. There were 67 people in a bus. So how many people were there? 67 people. Okay. At the first stop, 12 people got off. So when we go to bus, when we go in bus, what happened? In every stop, people will get down. Okay. So here also what happened? At first there are 67 people in the bus. In the first stop, how many people is getting down? 12 people. Getting down means what? They are going off. So, you are going from the bus. So, we are going to subtract. Okay. And the next stop, 9 people got off. Again, in the next stop, how many people is getting down? Again, 9 people is getting down. So, how many people will still there in the bus? So, we are going to subtract 12 and 9 from 67, so that we will get how many people are remaining in the bus. Okay, so first we are going to write 67 is the total number, right? 67 is the total number. From that, how many people getting down? Minus 12. Minus 12. First stop, how many people getting down? 12. So, minus 12. Again, in the next stop, how many people is getting down? Again, minus 9. So, first 67 minus 12. What answer you will get? You will get some answer, right? With that answer, you are going to subtract 9. Okay. Shall we do now? Yes, first 67 minus 12. 67 minus 12. Yes, now subtract. What is 7 minus 2? Will be 5. And 6 minus 1 will be 5. Yes, so we got 55. Yes, we are going to take this 55 here and we are going to subtract with what number? 9. Yes, shall we subtract? So we cannot, 5 minus 9 we cannot able to do. So what we are going to do? We are going to borrow. This 5 will become 4 and this 5 will become 15. Right. What is 15 minus 9? It is 6. 15 minus 9 will be 6. And this 4 will come down as such. Okay. So therefore, what happened? 46 people were still there in the bus. Therefore, 46 people were still there in the bus. Okay, so this is how you will conclude the sum. So you have to conclude the sum by writing the answer. Okay, yes. Yes, for the sum you need not write any statement. You should understand the question and do the sum. This is two-step problem. First is this step. We are going to subtract 67 minus 12. This is one step. And the next step is 55 minus 9. This is the next step. So this is two-step problem. Okay. Yes. Shall we move on to the next sum? How much should be added to 400 to get the largest 4-digit number? To get the largest 4-digit number. So you all know largest number, smallest number. What is the largest 2-digit number? 99. What is the largest 3-digit number? It is 999. And the largest 4-digit number will be 9999. That is largest 4-digit number is 9999. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. So this is the largest 4-digit number. Okay, so what is the question they have asked? How much should be added to 400? So what number should be added to 400 so that the answer should be 9999? So what we are going to do now? We are going to subtract 9999 minus this 400. Yes, shall we subtract now? That is 9999 minus 400. From where you will write? It is a 3-digit number. So 400. From hundreds place you should write. You should not write from thousands place and leave that ones place empty. Always the number should be from ones place. Okay. Shall we subtract now? Yes. 9 minus 0 will be 9. Again 9 minus 0 will be 9. 9 minus 4 will be 5. And this 9 will come down as such. So we got the answer as 9599. So shall we check the answer? So we should add these two numbers so that we will get the answer as 9999. Yes, shall we check now? 9599 plus this 400. So that is the question, right? How much should be added to 400? So we are going to add 9599 with this 400. So you should get the answer as 9999. Shall we check now? Yes. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. And this 9 will come as down. So the answer is 9999. So we have added 9599 with 400. So the answer is 9999, which is the largest 4-digit number. 4-digit number. Okay. Yes, I think you would have understood. So you have to remember what is the largest 4-digit number, and then first step is going to subtract, and you got one number. With that again you are going to add the number 400. So we got the answer as 9999. Yes children, you all understood? See, keep practicing. Okay, so there are many sums. Try to practice all these sums. So how much should be subtracted from the largest 4-digit number to get the smallest 4-digit number? Try all these sum. Okay. Yes, shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. So we are going to solve the word problem is estimated and the actual difference. So we are going to find the estimated and the actual difference. We are going to round off the number and find the answer. Okay. So there are 52 children in Imanush's class. Okay. 39 children from his class visited the zoo with 2 teachers. How many children did not go to the zoo? So there are 52 children in total. In that 39 students went to zoo, okay, along with 2 teachers, and we are going to find out how many students did not go to zoo. Okay, so here this 2 teacher is not necessary. So in few problems they will be giving few numbers that is not necessary for calculation. So we can leave that number and do the sum. Okay, now we'll write the statement. Yes, total number of children is how much? 52. Okay, and children visited zoo. How much? 39. Okay, so we are going to find the difference. Before finding the difference, what you will do? We are going to round off the number. This 52 rounds to what? 50. And this 39 rounds to 40. Yes, we are going to find the difference for this also. 2 minus 9, can we able to do? No. So this 5 will become 4 and this 2 will become 12. So what is 9 minus 12? It is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so here 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. So what is the question they have asked? How many children did not go to the zoo? So therefore 13 children did not go to zoo. Okay, so they have asked to find the estimated and the actual. So what is the actual difference? Actual difference is 13 and the estimated difference is what is the estimated difference? 10. So this is how you will find the actual difference and estimated difference. Yes children, so keep practicing. Okay, I've given the classwork. Please copy all the sums in your classwork. Practice all other sums in your rough note. Please read the sum one time or two time, understand what is given, and then do the sum. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.